Guys, today we're going to be rating all slides from 0 to 10. The first one we're going to go on is technically that one. And this is going to be a long video, so yay. So we're just going to go on it, see it, rate it. Anyway, let's go up the stairs. Oh guys, I just want to say something. 0.2% of you guys were watching subscribe. That's just so sad. I should get a world record. Loads of people subscribed to one channel. Sad. Anyway, we've reached our first slide. This one looks fast, but one tip. It isn't. 3, 2, 1, go! Ah! And we're going slow. We are literally stuck on the slides. Crawl my way down. Here we go. Whee! You guys know it's new to subscribe. Now, time for the second slide. Okay, let's just quickly swim now. There's Mr. Cameraman. And let's go swim. Don't judge me. Don't. Anyway, time to rate the second slide. Let's go. And by the way, these mats hurt you, look. It's so painful. So run! Ow, ow, ow. It's actually so painful when there's so many of them everywhere. Okay, we're going into the stairs. Oh, phew! And that slide, I'm gonna say 6 out of 10. Because you get stuck in the middle of it. That's sad. That's so sad. Anyway, let's go. Okay. The second one has a queue. So, we're just going to skip to the next one. I don't know if we need it floaty for this one. We're just going to, I've already done it, so it's an 8 out of 10. Not the best. Sorry guys. My dad says I can't do super long video. Now let's just wait for this person to leave. 3, 2, 1, go. Whee! Okay, this one is a fast one, so that's good. We're already in. Guys, please subscribe. Everyone, okay, this one you need to like. The one before you have to subscribe. And Mr. Cameraman's waiting for us. Hello, cameraman. Right, let's rate the next one. We still don't need a floaty. The floaty will be the last one, so yeah. Back to the painful mat. Ooh. I'm taking so much damage. Half a heart. Boing! That's the path. Okay, come on.
Incredibly shy.
I died. Respawn. Ooh, run. Okay, we made it to the stairs. Anyway, let's go. Comment if you think I should do a video where I break all the rules of a place. So comment and do like prisoner emojis if you want that to happen. Anyway, up the stairs. There's so many stairs. 10 hours later. We're still going upstairs. Still. And today in my hotel there's a pool party and it's very weird, look. I know, very weird, very suspect. There was a flappy man. I don't know why that flappy man is there, but okay. Anyway. This is the cute thing on the next slide. Alright, let's go the way. And while we wait, the view. A big view. Nice view. Okay. So now we wait. Well, while we wait, you guys need to like, comment, subscribe, and post what you the next video I'm trying to do next. So don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and share with your friends. Share this video with all your friends and all my other videos if you've seen them all, and subscribe. Remember, 0.1% of you guys have subscribed to me. Only my friends and my family have subscribed to me. I need one of you strangers to subscribe to me, or I'll be crying for the rest of my life.
Okay.
So, I mean, there are double tubes down there, as you can see. There are single tubes. I don't know if you can see that like, yellow bit. That's a single tube. And my papa can go on that. Look at the size. It's powerful. It's not powerful enough to stop me. And now we wait. Let's go! Whee! And then we have the glass. We have more tunnel. We have more tunnel. And then we have the drop off. Bam, 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 bam. And we survived another water slide. And cameraman is still there staring at us like, that's creepy. Subscribe if you not creepy. Like, not creepy, but it is nice. Kind of. Anyway, now guys, we're going to go to the last slide. The one with the tube. Come on, tube. Anyway. I hope you've all done what I just said. If you don't remember, subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. Do it now. And I might give you some helpful information if you want to be a YouTuber like me. So subscribe. I don't know. I've only got 38 subscribers. Just chill, please. Chill. Anyway, when you're on holiday, one tip. Ask random strangers to play with them. When they say yes, after you play with them, say, can I be your friend? If they say yes, you've made yourself a new friend. And you can play with them all day long. If they say no, try with another person until it works, yeah. That's my idea. That's how I got the friend Archie that you saw in one of my last videos. I've made a friend George. I've made a friend called Harry. And then last of all, I've made a friend called Keane. I don't know, 5 friends. So, like, if you had got that many, if 5 was correct, subscribe if you think 5 was wrong. Alright, let's go back up the stairs. So many stairs. I'm going to do things with your guys' foot massage because there's spikes here. See the spikes? It gives you a nice foot massage, not dangerous. Oh, and shout out. You should have definitely come to Liberty Fabay, which is this place. We're looking for a man. Alright, that only happens once a week. I'm saying here 2 weeks, so it might happen twice. I'm pretty sure it doesn't happen twice for me, but okay. That's chill, bro. That's chill. Anyway, the last slide. Also, this slide that we just went on that one, we'll go for an 8 out of 10. Comment what you think it was. Anyway, now we've got our floaty into the water. And now, yeah, we sit down in it. We have a nice handle. And yes, big push please. So let's go fast. Just like Sonic! Whee! It's literally pitch black back there. Anyway, we're now in midair. And yes, that's the size of all the slides. What? So many. Anyway, here's the drop off. And the cameraman is still standing by us. Like, if you think that's also creepy. So you guys need to like, subscribe, comment, and share with all your friends. Bye guys. Bye bye.